What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Revolut's investment app. Revolut's investment app empowers users to take control of their financial future by offering commission-free trading within a plan limit, access to 2,000 stocks, and the ability to invest in ETFs. With a user-friendly interface and educational resources, Revolut makes investing accessible and easy for everyone, regardless of experience and level. Now let's take a look at some of its benefits and features. Crypto trading. Revolut's crypto trading feature allows users to buy, sell, and hold various cryptocurrencies, providing a convenient and accessible platform to invest in this high-risk but potentially high-reward asset class. This feature offers users the opportunity to diversify their portfolio by investing in a new class of assets, which can help to mitigate risk and potentially increase returns. With Revolut's crypto trading feature, users can easily buy and sell cryptocurrencies, making it easier to get started with this type of investment. Ramp. Ramp is a feature that allows users to invest in stocks and ETFs with as little as $1, and it offers commission-free trading within a plan limit. This feature provides users with a low-cost and accessible way to invest in stocks market, making it easier for beginners to start investing. The commission-free trading within a plan limit also helps users save money on trading fees, which can add up quickly. With Ramp, users can invest in a wide range of stocks and ETFs, giving them the flexibility to build a diversified portfolio that meets their investment goals. Revolut X. Revolut X is a feature that allows users to invest in stocks and ETFs, offering extended hours trading and access to over 2,000 stocks. This feature provides users with more flexibility in their trading schedule, allowing them to trade outside of regular market hours. Additionally, the access to over 2,000 stocks gives users a broader range of investment options, allowing them to build a diversified portfolio that meets their investment goals. With the Revolut X, users can trade on their own schedule, whether it's during regular market hours or outside of those hours. Stock trading. Revolut's stock trading feature allows users to invest in stocks and ETFs with commission-free trading within a plan limit. This feature provides users with a low-cost way to invest in the stock market, making it easier for beginners to start investing. The commission-free trading within a plan limit also helps users save money on trading fees, which can add up quickly. With Revolut's stock trading feature, users can invest in a wide range of stocks and ETFs, giving them the flexibility to build a diversified portfolio that meets their investment goals. Commodities trading. Revolut's commodities trading feature allows users to invest in commodities such as gold and silver. This feature provides users with a way to diversify their investment portfolio by investing in physical assets like gold and silver, which can be a hedge against market volatility. The Revolut's commodities trading feature With Revolut's commodities trading feature, users can invest in these physical assets, which can provide a stable store of value and potentially increase returns. This feature offers users a way to diversify their portfolio and reduce risk, making it a valuable addition to any investment strategy. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Revolut's deposit protection is limited, unlike traditional banks. This means that if Revolut were to become insolvent, users would only be protected up to a certain amount, which is currently 22,000 euros for European Economic Area users. This is a significant drawback for users who have larger deposits or are concerned about the safety of their funds. Revolut charges high fees for cryptocurrency trading, which can be a significant drawback for users who actively trade cryptocurrencies. The fees are calculated as 1.99% of the trade value or GBP 0.99, whichever is greater. This can add up quickly and make it less attractive for users to trade cryptocurrency on the platform. Revolut's investment app has a limited product portfolio, which means users may not have access to a wide range of investment options. Additionally, the research and educational tools available on the app are basic, which can make it difficult for users to make informed investment decisions. This can be a drawback for users who are looking for a more comprehensive investment platform with advanced research and analysis tools. Revolut's investment app offers a range of features that make investing accessible and convenient for users of all experience levels. However, it's important for users to carefully consider the potential drawbacks such as limited deposit protection, high crypto fees, and a limited product portfolio before deciding to use the platform. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.